Hi there. Finding the 5 best dog clippers worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Andis Detachable Dog Clippers. Andis makes some great, professional quality clippers. They might be a bit on the higher price side of things, but the quality of the shears makes it well worth it. They're one of the preferred brands of groomers the world over, and it's pretty easy to see why. The first thing you'll notice is that these dog hair trimmers are tough. They come with shatterproof housing, and they're obviously built quite well straight from the factory. They run quiet and smooth as well, which should help keep your dog relaxed during the trimming process. The ability to change the blades out easily to use whichever one you prefer is a nice touch as well, allowing you to pick from a wide variety of different types to suit your needs. These dog shears are suitable for pretty much any dog's coat, allowing you to easily buzz down even the thickest fur, so it's the best dog clippers for thick coats. It's even suitable for cutting out matted hair, which makes it a step up from cheaper clippers where you might have to work around and handle the matting with scissors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Seanme Dog Clippers. This 2-speed clipper comes with a great grip featuring the battery charge LCD indicator and has quite a bit of power provided by its built-in rechargeable Li-ion battery. This makes it a versatile tool for taking care of the coats of your animals, and the grip should help to compensate for the additional weight caused by having a 2-speed motor. The blade itself detaches easily, allowing you to replace it with a superior model to the one it comes with if you wish. This actually makes it quite easy to sort out the only real issue this pair of clippers has, which is the fact that its regular blades are not suitable for super thick pet coats. It's also remarkably quiet running, which is sure to keep those anxious canines from pitching a fit when you start to trim their hair. You won't have to purchase any extra combs for your dog unless your pet has a very thick coat. Really, the Pet Hair Grooming Clippers kit by Bosnick is a great all-in-one clipper set, so you probably won't have to invest more money in a dog trimmer over the initial cost of these shears themselves in order to make them a truly superior product. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rision Dog Clippers. If you're looking for a great way to groom your dog without tripping over cords, Rision has you covered with this excellent, battery-powered pet clipper. The shears can run for up to an amazing 2 hours without needing to be charged, which is perfect for canines large and small. Even better, the battery will charge in about an hour, so you'll be able to use them again rather quickly in the event that they run out of juice. The blades on this one are kind of cool. They're self-sharpening, so it should be a good amount of time before you have to replace them. Keep them oiled and taken care of, and they'll last even longer. This clipper comes as part of a set, and it includes pretty much everything you'll need to keep your dog well groomed and feeling snazzy. It comes with the comb guides, which can let you cut hair to varying lengths, a regular comb, and a pair of scissors so you can cut out thick mats if the clippers can't take care of them. You're well taken care of with this set of clippers. They run quiet and come with everything you need to get started saving money. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wahl Dog Clippers. These clippers almost look too elegant to be used on anything other than a supermodel. It is futuristic looking, shiny and very cool. But, when you are a professional, form has to take a back seat to function. And these function superbly. They are cordless, so they are very easy to use on even the most disagreeable dog. With an added finger grip that can be removed, there is no way these are getting knocked out of your hand. Similar in appearance to the grip of a scissor, they can be removed when you don't want to use them. This is something unique that I had never seen in a set of clippers before. As for how they cut, they have everything you need to be able to perform at your best. This is one of the lightest dog grooming clippers out there. This makes it ideal for busy salons. Battery life is very good, lasting up to 90 minutes on a full charge. When the battery runs out, it can charge right back up in 60 minutes on a charging dock. If you miss your chance to charge it, Then just plug it in and keep going, as it works as a corded clipper too. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Wahl Lithium Dog Clippers. If you do have a strict budget, for example, if you are just out of school, then this Wahl Pro series may be the best dog clippers you can get. Wahl is a brand that makes very good clippers, so it is easy to trust them even when you see a price as low as this. What you get is a reliable cordless dog clipper that can handle just about every breed. A 2-hour charge will keep you working, but the key here is a quick 15 minutes to fully charge it. You can plug it in while the customer is paying, and in that few minutes replenish the battery enough to keep going. The kit comes with plastic comb attachments to give you some more length for those longer-haired dogs. There is a bit of false advertising in regards to the noise level. They make it very clear that these dog clippers are supposed to run quietly. In reality, they are some of the loudest clippers around. It has an electromagnetic motor that rocks the blades back and forth, and this causes noise. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.